Name and classification. Common name, lantana, wild sage, or Gandapanna in Sinhala. Scientific name, Lantana camara. Family, Verbanaceae. 2. Where it grows, distribution. Origin, it is native to Central and South America, specifically regions like Brazil and Mexico. Global presence, it has spread to over 60 countries and is now very common in India, Sri Lanka, Australia, and parts of Africa. Habitat, it thrives in tropical and subtropical climates. You will most commonly find it in wastelands, along roadsides, in forest edges, and as garden hedges. It is extremely resilient and can grow in poor soil conditions. 3. Key features and special characteristics. Color changes. A unique feature of this plant is that the tiny flowers in a single cluster often change color as they age, moving from yellow to orange, red, or pink. Pollinator magnet. The flowers are rich in nectar, making them highly attractive to butterflies and bees. Strong scent. The leaves and stems emit a very pungent, spicy smell when crushed, hence the local name Gandapanna. Hardness. It is drought resistant and can survive even after being cut down or burned, as it regrows quickly from the roots. Key characteristics. Appearance. It is a perennial shrub that typically grows between 30 centimeters to 90 centimeters, 1 to 3 feet, in height. Flowers. The flowers are small, 5-petaled, and shaped like stars. They grow in large, rounded clusters. While yours are white, they also come in shades of pink, red, lavender, and magenta. Foliage. The leaves are dark green, lance-shaped, and have a slightly fuzzy or deeply veined texture. Growth and care. Sunlight. Pentas thrive in full sun, though they can tolerate some partial shade. More sun usually means more flowers. Watering. They prefer well-drained soil. It is important to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged to prevent root rot. Pollinator friendly. These flowers are famous for attracting butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds due to their high nectar content. Why it's popular. Year-round blooming. In tropical climates like Sri Lanka, pentas can bloom almost all year round, making them excellent for landscaping. Low maintenance. They are relatively hardy and can withstand heat and humidity quite well. Special features of bougainvillea. Bracts versus petals. The vibrant colored parts we see on a bougainvillea are not actually petals. Botanically, they are called bracts, which are modified leaves. The true flower, the actual flower, is the tiny, white or cream-colored, tubular structure located in the center of the colorful bracts. Longevity. Unlike many other flowers, these colorful bracts remain on the plant for several weeks without withering. Protection. The stems of these plants have sharp thorns, which is why they are often used as ornamental security hedges. 2. Common growing regions. Origin. Bougainvillea was originally discovered in South America, in Sri Lanka, while they can grow in any part of the island. They thrive most vibrantly in dry and hot climates, e.g. Anuradha pura, Hambantota, and Butterkaloa. Climate tip. In areas with heavy rainfall, the plant may grow lush green leaves, but the flowering will be significantly less. 3. How to maintain bougainvillea. These plants are known for being low maintenance but high reward. Sunlight. Plant them in a spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. More sun leads to more blooms. Watering. Water only when the surface soil feels dry. Frequent watering encourages leaves rather than flowers. The plant actually needs a bit of stress or thirst to trigger blooming. Pruning. Trim the tips of the branches after the flowering season ends. This encourages new branches to grow and produce more flowers. Fertilizer. You can use fertilizers high in potassium, such as MOP, to encourage heavy flowering. 4. Available colors. Primary colors: deep red, purple, magenta, dark pink, and white. Intermediate colors: orange, yellow, and light pink. Mixed colors. There are also bicolor varieties where white and pink are mixed on the same flower. Thanks a lot for watching. This is a very beautiful double red hibiscus, Hibiscus rosasinensis. Unlike the common single-layered hibiscus, this double variety features multiple layers of large, ruffled petals. Description of the flower. Scientific name, Hibiscus rosasinensis. Family, Malvaceae. Nature, this is a tropical shrub that thrives in warm climates. As seen in the image, the petals have a ruffled, wavy texture and a deep red color. Uses and importance. Medicinal value. In Ayurveda, hibiscus flowers and leaves are used to promote hair growth, cool the body, and treat various skin conditions. Cosmetics. Hibiscus juice is widely used as a natural hair conditioner and is effective in controlling dandruff. Offerings and rituals. In Sri Lanka, these flowers are commonly used in Buddhist religious offerings and various cultural ceremonies. Maintenance. This plant thrives in locations with full sunlight. Maintaining soil moisture and performing regular pruning helps the plant produce more flowers and stay healthy. Sri Lanka, often called the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, is home to a staggering variety of flora due to its diverse climate zones, ranging from humid rainforests to cool highlands. The island boasts many flowers that cannot be found anywhere else on Earth. Here is an overview of some significant endemic flowers of Sri Lanka and what makes them unique. 1. Banara, Exacum trinervium. The banara flower is one of the most iconic endemic plants, particularly the Exacum trinervium macranthum variety found in the Central Highlands. Appearance. These flowers are known for their striking deep blue or violet purple petals with bright yellow centers, anthers. Significance. They are often associated with the misty mountain grasslands. There are several subspecies of banara, each adapted to specific elevations in Sri Lanka. Specialty. Their vibrant royal blue hue is quite rare in the natural world, making them a favorite for local photography and nature lovers. 2. Wesak orchid, Dendrobium McCarthyii, named after the Buddhist festival of Wesak, which usually falls in May, when the orchid blooms. This is perhaps Sri Lanka's most famous endemic orchid. Appearance. It features beautiful, drooping clusters of pale violet or pinkish purple flowers. Habitat. It is primarily found in the tropical rainforests of the Sabaragamuwa province, particularly around Ratnapura. Specialty. It is considered a strict nature reserve species because it is highly endangered. It is legally protected in Sri Lanka due to its rarity and the beauty of its large, delicate blooms. 3. Hene bovatia, Usbeckia octandra. While there are many varieties of bovatia, the Hene bovatia is endemic to Sri Lanka and holds a special place in local culture and traditional medicine. Appearance. A small shrub that produces delicate, 5-petaled purple flowers with prominent yellow stamens. Specialty. Beyond its beauty, it is a key ingredient in Ayurvedic medicine, specifically used for treating liver disorders. It was also famously named the Southern Province's provincial flower. 4. Pathak, Stemanopera species. The genus Stemanopera is almost entirely endemic to Sri Lanka, consisting of several species of trees that produce unique flowers. Specialty. These are rainforest specialists. Most species are found only in the Sinaraja rainforest or the peak wilderness. They are scientifically significant because they are highly localized. Some species exist only on a single mountain peak in the entire world.